Okay, I'm over here. Yo, morning guys. Rob here at Yellow Rose Ranch. Welcome to the ranch. Family's kind of sick. I think I'm getting a little sick myself, so I thought today would take it easy day, record a video, put some content out for you guys, show you what we're doing, give you a little farm tour. And it's about a quarter mile up the road. I share my driveway with one other person. But yeah, here's my driveway. Here's our little orchard. Beginnings of one anyways. My God, trees are expensive. And this is about $300 worth of trees. And our newest addition, thanks Aunt Heather, free, needs to be painted. But it's a little covered wagon. I think they used it in a parade or something. But I like free stuff. And I like stuff that says John Deere. So hopefully this area is about an acre of grass. Once we get water up to it, I think I'm going to run some chickens over it. Maybe let the sheep come up here. Goats. Who knows? Ducks. So I love the hills. I do not like having to grade a driveway every time it rains. Check out our video though, how we grade our driveway. We actually hook up a box blade to the back of our truck. It's pretty cool. Don't need a tractor. Speaking of tractors, that is my one and only tractor. And that thing has seen better days. I'm just kidding. It was here when we bought the property. Yeah, my wife made this little sign. I think she did a pretty good job. Alright, and there's our little house. All made from wood from this property. Built about 30 years ago. Our egg-laying chickens. And this is kind of a catch-all pen right here. These are the ducks that are bound for the freezer in about 2 or 3 days. Whenever I get time. Sell them for $40 a pop. You do the math, there's 20 of them there. We got our nesting boxes on the outside. And 1 egg so far. All this wood came off the property. Log cabin chicken coop. Cheap, easy, well, not easy, cheap though, and I think it'll hold up for a while. One little thing we like to do, we keep all our feed down by wherever animal we're going to feed them. So we got feed, we got oyster shell, we got scoop, and this is what was our garden last year. As you can see, way overgrown, can't even get in there. But we got some guys that are going to take care of that for us. So this little building's our bunkhouse. There's our 2 cats that are not ours. They came with the property. Alright, and that's our office. I think I will take that office over driving into the city any day of the week. Alright, back to the bunkhouse. Our kitchen garden. Got seeds in there. Not much is growing yet. Got some pepper plants. Sunflowers. I don't even know what else is in there. That's a ossoberry bush. Blueberries, raspberries. Here. And this is the beginnings of our little vineyard. That little guy's coming back. He keeps getting warm and freezing. But he keeps going back. So basically, all of this mulch, which is super fertilized, comes from right there. I can't forget this herb spiral. This thing is awesome. basically. All your herbs are like different conditions. So you got dill down the bottom, gets the most water. Parsley, sage, basil, lemongrass, and rosemary will go up on the top. Alright, so this is our well house. That's our water. Also serves as another purpose. It's an air conditioned brooder. Heat lamps, air conditioner, water, and just to circulate the air. Little fan pumping in fresh air. These little wood pieces. Kind of lets me do whatever configuration I want to do in here. Make them smaller, bigger, have multiple ones. Raise up to 200 chickens in here at one time. Get 50 chickens, 20 ducks, and then another set of 50 chicks that came in 2 weeks later. We've done turkeys in here, ducks, geese will be going in here soon. Also a great place to, if you got a sick animal, you can put them in here. It's nice air conditioned. Alright, here's our goats. Black one there's baby. That's her baby. He's going to a new farm today. That one's Dude and his mom Nellie and the dad Moon. Oh no, wait, that's Ted. He's a weather. That's Nellie. That's the mom. But yeah, they're on about an acre. They got a nice little pond, some woods to go into, 8-wire high tensile fence, and these guys, and they are all guys, they're the newest addition, and I've been wanting sheep forever. Finally got some. And 3 of them are pure Katahdin. One has the horns right there in the middle. He has some St. Croix in him. And I like the St. Croix. Better parasite resistance. As I said, they are helping us take back our garden that got overgrown like crazy. I couldn't walk in here a week ago. So they've done a good job. Don't have to feed them anything. They hardly drink any water. So we went from that mess to what you see here in 1 week. Pretty amazing. So, as I said, we bought 4 of these guys. Whichever one does the best will sire for the herd, our new ram, and the rest will be available at your local farmer's market in about 5 months. So, another couple new additions. These does I got from a local person. Cutting back on her rabbit production, and I'm upping mine, so it worked out perfect. So this is our colony. So we got some does in here, and got some babies. They got little places to hide, burrows, and we got some babies right in here. I don't know if they're out or not. No, they're hiding, but might be able to see them move. And yeah, there's the mama. She doesn't like that we're in here. We'll leave them alone. And the reason these guys are in cages because I don't want to mix them with Other ones, going to quarantine them for a little bit. Male and female. Reusing my chickshaw. I guess it's now a rabbit shaw. And next big project is turning this shed that we just moved last weekend. And I will include some video because we did it with nothing but 2x4s, a trailer, some logs that we cut, some trees that we cut down into logs, and all manpower. We even use a jack. There's the paddock for those mixed kunes. Either find one, let this grow back for a little while. These kunes are in silvopasture, and it's called a hub spoke configuration. Basically, they get this paddock all the time. They got one that they're in right now that's opened up over there, and then they got ones that go all the way around. And if you've ever raised pigs, you know it's hard to keep grass underneath their feet. So I think we're doing all right. And this is the little maternity ward. As you can see, she just had her piglets the other day. See if I can zoom in for you. She has 4 that survived, 1 that didn't. I think this one right here is just about to pop. Come down and check on her later tonight. Eat it one last time for the day. And that one probably in a couple days. So, this is the maternity ward because it has brush piled up all along the fence. Helps keep these little guys in. Helps get them trained on the electric fence. Otherwise, they just run right under it and don't get shocked. It slows them down just enough to respect the fence. After that, you can pretty much put them anywhere on 2 wires. We do 4, sometimes 5. But... So yeah, these are our kunes. That guy right there is going to the processor. We'll have him in the freezer by the end of the month. And these other guys, one of them's going to take his spot. Thinking probably that guy right there. But that guy looks really cool too. It's pretty big. Okay, Alright, so that's our silvopasture for the pigs. It's about 2 acres. Those guys got an acre. Eventually, we'll expand it 5 more acres out that way. Another silvopasture project in the works. Open up the canopy, let some light in, and we got grass growing. Since grass is the lifeblood of any farm, well, maybe not vegetable farms, but any farm that raises meat. That's what we like to see. Alright, and these guys are Cornish cross meat chickens. I think they're on about a little over a 1/4 acre. Pretty much as free ranging as you could possibly get, while still keeping them safe from coyotes and other stuff that wants to eat them. So my customers can eat them. And I can pay for my house and electricity and truck and insurance and everything else that you gotta pay for nowadays. I think we all thought we weren't going to have to do that if we started homesteading. And maybe someday we won't. About 28 years from now when I pay this place off. But as you can see, there is fence all the way up to there, and then it's just water. They like to drink right there. We'll go over to drink from the pond. They got tons of grass to get some shade, hide out. There, I've seen them, they're eating the seeds off the top of that grass. These are some content little guys. You can see that little bulge on the right side. That means that they are full, and you know, they're laying down. That means they're content. We do raise them in the chicken tractors, but only until they're big enough to where they can't fit through this fence. After that, they are free range. They come and go as they want. They have free access to water. All in all, I think this is the best way to raise chickens. Our customers seem to agree. And I don't have to move them every single day. Yeah, there's 50 chickens and a little over a quarter acre. They'll stay out here for a month. And I'll move them farther down the road with the next batch. Keep doing that. Grass will keep growing even better. We'll bring our rams down. We'll bring our goats down. Maybe even move pigs in there. Yeah, we're a multi-species farm, so we can do that. But every single time we do, it keeps getting better and better. Hope you enjoyed this little tour. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments how I'm doing. Maybe you disagree with how I do things. Maybe you like it. If you want to know more about anything you saw, let me know. You know, if you're homesteading, you probably know it takes a while to get going, and it's not easy. We're in our second year. We're making some money now. We're breaking even at least. Enough to add new animals, fencing, feed, animals, infrastructure. None of it's cheap. But you keep adding on a little at a time, and you start selling. You get some good customers. You do right by them. And I think in a couple of years you'll see that you'll be living the dream. I know we are. Anyways, like I said, hope you enjoyed everything. Hope to see you soon. Bye.